Before you hit play on the video, take a moment to turn on the YouTube captions. Trust me, it'll make the experience a lot better, especially if you want to catch every word, every detail. Just a quick click and you're all set. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Word Journey, the channel where we help you learn English naturally, confidently, and step by step. Let me start with a simple question. What's the first thing people often talk about when they meet someone new? That's right, the weather. Whether you're in London, Tokyo, New York, or anywhere else in the world, talking about the weather is one of the most common and polite ways to start a conversation in English. It's something everyone experiences every day. It can bring people together, break the ice, and make you sound natural and friendly when speaking English. But here's the problem. Many English learners only know how to say simple things like it's hot or it's raining. That's okay, but today we're going to go much deeper. In this lesson, you'll learn how to describe different kinds of weather in English, use natural expressions that native speakers use, talk about your preferences and opinions about the weather, and practice real English conversations with examples. By the end of this video, you'll be able to have a smooth, confident conversation about the weather anywhere, anytime. So let's begin our word journey and start talking about the weather in English. Part 1. Why we talk about the weather. Talking about the weather is a great way to start a conversation, especially with someone you don't know well. It's friendly, it's neutral, and it's something everyone can relate to. For example, when you meet someone at work or at a bus stop, you might say, "It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?" Or if it's raining, "What a rainy day. I hope it stops soon." It's a simple way to show politeness, to share an experience, or just to fill silence in conversation. Let's look at a short example. Historia. Hi, Alina. How are you today? Alina, I'm good, thanks. The weather's so nice today, isn't it? Historia. Yes, it's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. Alina, I wish every day was like this. See how natural that sounds? It's small talk, but it helps create connection. Part 2. Basic weather vocabulary. Let's start with some of the most common weather words you'll hear in English. Sunny. The sun is shining. Example. It's a sunny day today. Cloudy. There are many clouds in the sky. Example. It's cloudy but still warm. Rainy. It's raining outside. Example. It's been rainy all week. Windy. The wind is strong. Example. It's really windy today. Snowy. It's snowing or there's snow on the ground. Example. The streets are snowy in winter. Foggy. There's a lot of fog. You can't see clearly. Example. It's foggy this morning. Stormy. There's thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Example. The weather is stormy tonight. Hot. The temperature is high. Example. It's hot and humid today. Cold. The temperature is low. Example. It's cold outside. Cool. Slightly cold, but comfortable. Example. It's cool and breezy this evening. Warm. Slightly hot, but pleasant. Example. It's warm today. Perfect for a walk. Part 3. Describing the weather in full sentences. Now let's learn how to describe the weather naturally. Here are some useful sentence patterns. It's plus adjective. It's sunny. It's cold. It's windy. It's plus verb ing. It's raining. It's snowing. It's drizzling. There is slash there plus noun. There is a storm outside. There are dark clouds in the sky. There's a strong wind. Use adverbs to make it sound natural. It's really hot today. It's quite cold this morning. It's a little windy, but still nice. Let's look at a short example conversation. Historia. How's the weather where you are, Alina? Alina, it's quite sunny and warm today. Historia. Lucky you. It's cloudy here and looks like it's going to rain. Alina, oh, I hope it doesn't rain too much. Part 4. Different weather conditions and expressions. Let's explore some detailed vocabulary and phrases you can use for different weather situations. Sunny weather. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's bright and warm outside. Conversation example. Historia. What a beautiful day. Alina. Yes, it's so sunny. Perfect for a picnic. Rainy weather. It's raining. It's pouring. It's drizzling. The rain won't stop. I forgot my umbrella. Conversation example. Historia. It's been raining all day. Alina, I know. I can't wait for some sunshine. Windy weather. It's really windy. The wind is strong. My hair is all over the place. The wind is howling. Conversation example. Alina, it's so windy today. Historia. Yes, it feels like the wind could blow the trees down. Snowy weather. It's snowing. The snow is falling gently. The streets are covered with snow. It's freezing outside. Conversation example. Historia. I love snowy days. Alina, me too. Everything looks so peaceful and white. Foggy weather. It's foggy this morning. I can barely see anything. The fog is thick. Conversation example. Historia. Be careful driving today. It's foggy. Alina, thanks, I'll go slow. Stormy weather. There's a thunderstorm. I saw lightning. The thunder is so loud. The storm is getting worse. Conversation example. Alina, did you hear that thunder? Historia. Yes, it's scary. I hope the power doesn't go out. Part 5. Talking about temperature. We often describe the weather by talking about temperature. Here's how you can talk about it in English. Hot weather. It's boiling hot today. It's really warm. The heat is unbearable. Cold weather. It's freezing. It's really chilly this morning. It's cold enough to snow. Mild weather. It's mild today. The temperature is just right. It's not too hot or too cold. Example conversation. Historia. How's the temperature there? Alina, it's freezing. I can't go outside without a jacket. Historia. Wow, it's warm here. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Part 6. Talking about seasons. The weather changes with the seasons. Let's learn some ways to talk about the weather in different seasons. Spring. The weather is mild and pleasant. Flowers are blooming. It often rains in spring. Summer. It's hot and sunny. The days are long and bright. People go swimming or travel to the beach. Autumn or fall. The weather is cool. The leaves are changing colors. It's windy and sometimes rainy. Winter. It's cold and snowy. The days are short. People wear warm clothes. Conversation example. Historia. What's your favorite season, Alina? Alina, I love spring. The weather is not too hot or too cold. Historia. I prefer autumn. The cool breeze feels nice and the trees look beautiful. Part 7. Talking about weather changes. The weather often changes during the day, and you can describe it using words like clear up, cool down, warm up, or get worse. Examples. It was raining earlier, but it's clearing up now. It's getting colder tonight. The weather's warming up. I think the storm is getting worse. Conversation example. Alina, it's getting warmer every day. Historia. Yes, summer is coming soon. Part 8. Expressing your feelings about the weather. You can share your opinions about the weather using these expressions. I love this weather. I hate the rain. I can't stand the heat. I don't mind cold weather. This weather makes me sleepy. The sunshine makes me happy. Conversation example. Historia. I love rainy days. They're so peaceful. Alina, really? I prefer sunny days. Rain makes me sleepy. Part 9. Using weather-related expressions and idioms. Native speakers often use idioms or expressions related to the weather. Let's learn a few common ones. It's raining cats and dogs. Meaning, it's raining very heavily. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling sick or unwell. Example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. A storm is brewing. Meaning, trouble is coming. On cloud 9. Meaning, very happy. Break the ice. Meaning, start a conversation or make people feel more comfortable. A ray of sunshine. Meaning, someone who makes you happy. Example conversation. Historia, you look so happy today. Alina, yes, I'm on cloud 9. I just got a new job. Historia, that's amazing. Congratulations. Part 10. Talking about weather in different countries. People love comparing weather from different places. Conversation example. Historia, how's the weather in your country, Alina? Alina, it's usually warm and sunny most of the year. How about you? Historia, we have all 4 seasons here. Winters are cold and summers are very hot. Alina, that sounds nice. I'd love to experience snow one day. Part 11. Talking about weather and plans. The weather often affects our plans, right? You can use it to explain what you want or don't want to do. Examples. I wanted to go for a walk, but it's raining. It's such a nice day, let's go to the park. The weather's too cold to go out. We can't go camping because of the storm. Conversation example. Alina, do you have any plans for the weekend? Historia, I wanted to go hiking, but it might rain. Alina, that's too bad. Maybe next weekend will be sunny. Part 12. Forecasting the weather. You can also talk about future weather using will or going to. Examples. It will rain tomorrow. It's going to be sunny this weekend. The weather will get colder next week. Conversation example. Historia, did you check the weather forecast? Alina, yes, it says it's going to snow tomorrow. Historia, wow, time to get the winter coats ready. Part 13. Weather small talk in different situations. Let's look at how you can use weather small talk in daily life. At work. It's so cold in the office today. I hope it warms up soon. In a taxi. It's raining a lot today. Yes, the traffic gets worse when it rains. At school. Did you see the storm last night? Yes, it was so loud. At the park. The weather is perfect for a walk. I agree, it's so peaceful here. Part 14. Talking about extreme weather. Sometimes the weather can be extreme. Let's look at some phrases. Heat wave. It's been extremely hot for several days. Blizzard. A snowstorm with strong winds. Flood. Too much rain causes water to rise. Drought. No rain for a long time. Conversation example. Alina, did you hear about the flood last week? Historia, yes, it was terrible. The rain didn't stop for 3 days. Part 15. Full conversation example. Let's put everything together. Historia, hi Alina. How are you doing today? Alina, hi Historia. I'm doing great. The weather is amazing today. Historia, really? It's cloudy here. What's it like there? Alina, it's sunny and warm. There's not a cloud in the sky. Historia, that sounds wonderful. It's been raining all morning where I am. Alina, oh no, I hope it clears up soon. Historia, me too. I was planning to go for a walk. Alina, do you like rainy weather? Historia, sometimes. It's nice to stay home and read when it rains. Alina, true. I love that too. But if it rains too long, I miss the sun. Historia, same here. By the way, what's the weather like in your country during the year? Alina, it's mostly warm. We don't get snow, but sometimes it rains a lot. How about you? Historia, we have 4 seasons. I love autumn, it's cool and colorful. Alina, that sounds beautiful. I'd love to see the fall colors someday. Historia, you should visit. The weather is perfect then. Alina, I'll add that to my travel list. Conclusion. And that's it for today's lesson, talking about the weather in English. You've learned how to describe the weather, talk about your preferences, understand idioms, and have natural conversations like native speakers do. Next time someone says, "Nice weather, isn't it?" you'll know exactly how to respond confidently and naturally. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Word Journey, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future English learning videos. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing one word at a time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Word Journey.